Welcome to a lesson on subtracting integers using the number line. Every subtraction problem has an equivalent addition problem. When working with integers, we say subtracting an integer is equivalent to adding the opposite, which means a minus b equals a plus negative b, and a minus negative b equals a plus b. And we showed why this is true in the integer chip lesson. So for each subtraction problem, we will write the equivalent addition problem and then show the model on the number line. The model will be the same for the subtraction problem as well as the addition problem. We are first given 9 minus 3. Subtracting positive 3 is equivalent to adding negative 3. 9 minus 3 equals 9 plus negative 3. To model the sum as well as the difference, we begin by modeling positive 9 on the number line. To do this, we begin at 0 and move right 9 units to positive 9 on the number line. From here, because we are subtracting positive 3, which is equivalent to adding negative 3, we move left 3 units. So whether we're subtracting 3 or adding negative 3, we move left 3 units, which brings us to positive 6 on the number line, which is the difference as well as the sum. 9 minus 3 equals 6, and so does 9 plus negative 3. Next we have 3 minus 9. Subtracting 9 is equivalent to adding negative 9. 3 minus 9 equals 3 plus negative 9. To model the difference as well as the sum, we begin by modeling 3. To do this, we start at 0, move right 3 units to positive 3. To subtract 9 or add negative 9, we move left 9 units from positive 3. Which brings us to negative 6, which is a difference as well as the sum. 3 minus 9 equals negative 6, and 3 plus negative 9 equals negative 6. Next we have negative 3 minus 7. Subtracting positive 7 is equivalent to adding negative 7. Negative 3 minus 7 equals negative 3 plus negative 7. To model the difference as well as the sum, we first model negative 3. To do this, we start at 0, move left 3 units to negative 3 on the number line, and then to subtract 7 or add negative 7, we move left 7 units. From here we move left 7 units to negative 10 on the number line. Negative 3 minus 7 equals negative 10, and so does negative 3 plus negative 7. Next we have negative 3 minus negative 7. Subtracting negative 7 is equivalent to adding positive 7. Negative 3 minus negative 7 equals negative 3 plus positive 7. To model both the subtraction as well as the addition, we first model negative 3 by starting at 0 and moving left 3 units to negative 3. Let's first model the addition. To add 7, we would move right 7 units from negative 3. So if we move right 7 units from negative 3, we would be at positive 4 on the number line, which is the sum as well as the difference. For the subtraction, we know if we were subtracting positive 7, we would move left 7 units. So when subtracting a negative number, or in this case, to subtract negative 7, we do move right 7 units to positive 4. Negative 3 minus negative 7 equals negative 3 plus 7, which equals positive 4. Let's look at one more example. For the last example, we have 4 minus negative 2. Subtracting negative 2 is equivalent to adding positive 2. 4 minus negative 2 equals 4 plus 2. To model the difference as well as the sum, we first model positive 4 on the number line by starting at 0 and moving right 4 units to positive 4. Looking at the addition first, we know to add positive 2, we move right 2 units from positive 4, which brings us to positive 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6, which I'm sure we already knew. but 4 minus negative 2 also equals 6. From positive 4, we know if we were subtracting positive 2, we would move left 2 units, and therefore, because we are subtracting negative 2, we do move right 2 units to positive 6. I hope you found this helpful.